Welcome to the Gridbox eCommerce course. In this course, we'll build a complete online store from scratch using the Gridbox Store app. You'll learn how to create products and design product and shop layouts. We'll add a shopping cart, configure checkout, and set up payment methods and shipping. You'll also discover how to manage customer orders. Finally, we'll cover digital products and subscription products. By the end of this course, you'll have everything you need to build a modern online store with Gridbox. Let's start by activating Gridbox eCommerce and preparing our store.
Before we can start building our online store, we need to activate the Store app. From the Gridbox dashboard, click the Apps icon. In the list of available apps, find Store and click Publish. That's it. The Store app is now available and ready to use. After activating the Store app, you'll notice two important changes. First, a new sales statistics widget appears on the Gridbox dashboard. It gives you a quick overview of your store's activity. Second, a new store menu is added to the Gridbox sidebar. This menu contains all the tools you'll use to manage your online store. We'll explore each section throughout this course. Now, let's create the Store Content app. This is where all of your store products will be created and managed. From the Gridbox dashboard, open the Content section. Click Add New Item. In the dialog window, select Store and click Save. Your Store Content app is now created. Click the title to open it. As you can see, it looks very similar to any other Gridbox content app. Before we create our first product, let's configure the basic store settings.
Let's configure the basic store settings. In the Gridbox sidebar, hover over the Store menu and select Store Settings. Click on the Business Information. Here, you can enter your store name, legal business name, phone, email, and business address. These details are used throughout your store, including email notifications, invoices, and other store features. Next, move down to the Units section. Choose the default weight unit for your products. I'll leave it set to kilograms. You'll also see settings for invoices, wish list, and checkout. We'll cover them later in the Gridbox eCommerce course. We activated the Store app, created our Store Content app, and configured the basic store settings. Our store is now set up and ready to go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.